Hey guys, Caleb here with Vivid Lumen, and today we're installing these FNG fog lights on this 2018 Jeep JK. This kit includes brackets, wiring, and everything you need for an easy installation. Let's get on with the install. First, we have to remove the bumper, but to remove the bumper, we have to remove the splash guard, which has 8 push clips underneath. Now that we got the splash guard off, we can remove the bumper by taking off these 8 18mm nuts. After we have the nuts and connectors removed, we can remove the bumper. Now that we have the bumper off, we can remove the fog light housings by taking off 4 Phillips screws from either side. Now that we got the OEM fog lights out, we can install the FNG fog light kit. Now that we got the FNG fog lights installed in the bumper, we can get this bumper back on the Jeep and the Jeep back on the road. Now that we got the bumper back on, we can put the OEM nuts back on and connect the wiring harnesses. Now we have to install the final piece, which is the splash guard. That concludes our FNG fog light install on this Jeep JK. If you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe. If you have further questions, contact us on our website and check out our Instagram. And yeah, they're bright.